Starting around 25 November 2023, Bitcoin money generally is exchanging at $227.38 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.27% in very most recent 60 minutes, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. BCH truly has a kind of complete market cap of $4,449,474,349, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $134,066,519 in an unpretentious manner. This explicitly makes Bitcoin money, BCH, sort of positioning at 20 in the digital currency market, or so they sort of thought. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money sort of be exceptionally worth in 2023, which by and large is very huge? Is Bitcoin money a wise venture or really worth purchasing in 2023, which explicitly is very critical? Will BCH cost by and large outperform its unsurpassed kind of high amazingly? These for the most part are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, which in every practical sense is very critical. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin money estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost for the most part is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $242.81, the normal truly least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to be $233.74. So on the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Bitcoin money cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Bitcoin money for the most part be worth in 2023 in a by and large enormous manner? Besides, BCH can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $254.37, which basically is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money, BCH, value gauge November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money especially is in a real sense anticipated to basically arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $238.05, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $244.85 and an especially least of $217.64, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the really greatest cost for Bitcoin money could stretch around $254.37 in a quite huge manner. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 in a real sense is $233.74 with a sort of typical cost of $242.81. So will BCH cost truly outperform its record-breaking high, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking? Bitcoin money certainly passed value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense has been generally diminished by 0.76% in its extremely current worth, in a kind of huge manner. Assuming we generally analyze the very current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap generally is additionally down, which especially is very critical. From genuinely most recent 7 days, the BCH certainly was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 1.02%, exhibiting how these for the most part are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future, which by and large is very critical. Bitcoin money generally has shown areas of strength for essentially potential recently, and this could be great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Notwithstanding, after the looking at the in every practical sense, current cost with in every way that really matters, recent days cost history, it in every way that really matters, is seen that Bitcoin money in a real sense has expanded 40.791% in its worth in an all things considered, enormous way. The typical especially least cost for the month sort of is $130.31, while truly most extreme by and large normal cost truly was $134.63 in an in every way that really matters, huge way. This suggests that this coin sort of is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for genuinely long haul, truly further appearance how starting around 25 November 2023 Bitcoin money truly is exchanging at $227.38 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.27% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change explicitly is around 42.04%, And the cost truly flowed from a truly least beautiful typical cost of $125.38 to, in every practical sense, greatest by and large normal cost of $134.83 in the precise beyond 90 days, which generally shows that Bitcoin money especially passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been especially diminished by 0.76% in its truly current worth, which in a real sense is very huge. In genuinely most recent 4 months, Bitcoin money in a real sense has shown a developing pattern in an especially significant manner. In this manner, we truly believe that comparative pieces of the market for the most part were very famous at that period, showing that Bitcoin money, BCH, value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money by and large is really anticipated to for the most part arrive at a sort of typical cost of $238.05, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $244.85 and an in every practical sense least of $217.64, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. As per the in every practical sense, most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money, all things considered, is expanded from 4 months, so in this manner, we truly believe that comparable pieces of the market certainly were very famous at that period, exhibiting that Bitcoin money, BCH, value conjecture November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money fundamentally is most certainly anticipated to generally arrive at a very normal cost of $238.05, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $244.85 and a genuinely least of $217.64, which sort of is very critical. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The coin sort of is up by 55.34%, with the by and large greatest pretty typical cost of the coin really was around $103.49, and the especially least in every practical sense normal cost of certainly was around $100.92 in sort of beyond 4 months, which especially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money value gauge 2023 facts. What will truly be Bitcoin money really worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? The BCH cost truly is gauged to sort of arrive at a greatest degree of $254.37, with genuinely least cost of $233.74 toward the finish of 2023, so Bitcoin money value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Bitcoin money could truly stretch around $254.37, which basically is genuinely critical. Does Bitcoin money sort of have a future? Most certainly, as opposed to prevalent thinking. As far as cost